Hi everyone, I'm back with another video and today I'm gonna show you how to make these candle sleeves. You can protect your candle or favorite books with this beautiful handmade granny square. And you can make it larger or smaller that you can use it as a pouch or a pod case and anything you like. And go for it. Start with the slip knot on the hook and make 4 chain and join with the slip stitch to the first chain. Then make 3 chain as 1 double crochet and then make 2 double crochet into the ring that we made. 2 double crochet and then make 3 chain and again make 3 double crochet into the same space. 2 and 3, again make 3 chain and make 3 double crochet into the ring. Again make 3 chain and make 3 double crochet. This is the last side of our square. Make 3 chain as the last corner and join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain. Cut the yarn and fasten off. Insert the needle to the 2nd stitch and again insert the needle inside the 1st stitch, and here is our end of the row. There is no sign of the yarn tail. In the round 2, make a slip knot on the hook, turn back to the wrong side of your work and insert the hook inside the corner space and make 6 chain as 1 double crochet and 3 chain, and then make 3 double crochet into the same space. In the 3 chain space, and then make 1 chain and make 3 double crochet into the next 3 chain spaces in the corner. Make 3 chain and 3 double crochet into the same space of a corner. 2 and 3. Again make 1 chain and in the next corner make 3 double crochet, 3 chain and 3 double crochet. 2 and 3. Again make 1 chain, into the next corner make 3 double crochet, 3 chain and 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. 1 chain and into the last corner make 2 double crochet and join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain. 1, 2, 3. Bring the yarn out, cut the yarn and fasten off. Look, here is our 1st chain, here is our 2nd chain. Insert the needle under the chain and bring it out, and again insert the needle inside the 1st chain. Look, here is our end of the row. Hide the tail of the yarn between the stitches and cut it. Here is our second row. For the round 3, make a slip knot on the hook and turn back your work to the wrong side and bring the yarn out from the one corner. Make 6 chain as 1 double crochet and 3 chain, and then make 3 double crochet into the same space of corner, and then make 1 chain and into the next space from into the 1 chain space, make 3 double crochet and 1 chain, and into the next corner make 3 double crochet, 3 chain and 3 double crochet. From this row to the end of your work, you must make 3 double crochet, 3 chain, 3 double crochet into the corner space. Between the spaces make 1 chain, and into the 1 chain spaces make 3 double crochet and 1 chain. Repeat this until the end. You can make this granny as big as you want, and also you don't have change color if you want, and you can just keep going along. Okay, then make 1 chain, and in the 1 chain space make 3 double crochet and 1 chain. In the corner space make 3 double crochet, 3 chain and 3 double crochet. Into the next space of the 1 chain space make 3 double crochet and 1 chain. Into the last space of corner make 2 double crochet and join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain. Bring the yarn out, cut the yarn and fasten off. Work on the 2nd chain of the corner, insert the needle under it and pull the yarn out, and again insert the needle into the 1st stitch, and then move on between the stitches. And also you can make a knot by the tail of the yarns and then cut the yarns. So you can make this granny as big as you want. Into the corner space make 3 double crochet, 3 chain, 3 double crochet. Into the 1 chain spaces make 3 double crochet, 1 chain, and in the corners 3 double crochet, 3 chain, 3 double crochet until the end. You must just keep going along with this pattern. Here is my granny square that it has slight differences from the previous pattern. You can find the previous pattern in my YouTube channel. There is no wrong side or right side in this granny, and you can use it for any crafts you like. And as you can see, the rounds are very smooth and straight. And this is my previous granny square. There are some slight differences between the two squares I told you. That is the space into the corner, that the number of the chains in the corner, the 1 chain in the previous square and 3 chain in the new square, and second in the a new square between the three clusters. We made one chain, and in the previous we don't have any chain space between the three clusters of double crochet. Both squares are very useful for the crafts, and you can use it for anything. To convert a square into an envelope shape, place two sides of a square together in a triangular shape. Right side to side, and then we don't work on the middle chain. Insert the hook inside the back loop of the left side, and then insert the hook from the right side and bring the yarn out from there, and again insert the hook into the back loop of the right side and back loop and third loop from the left side and make a slip stitch. We must join the two sides of the square in a triangular shape with the slip stitch. Insert the hook into the back loop of the right side and left side and make a slip stitch. Do it until the end of the row. And the last one in the first chain of the two sides of squares, and for the other side you must do it like the first side. This side of the square, bring it and join it to the first side. We don't work on the first chain, we work on middle chain of the corner space and bring the yarn out from there, and again insert the hook inside the third chain of the right side and left side and make a slip stitch into them. Do it until the end. Here is our end of the row. Make a last slip stitch and cut the yarn and fasten off. Now we must hide the tail of the yarn, and now with a button we must close our case, sewing the button with the needle. Here is our bookcase or pouch or AirPods case, and also you can make a bag or make pillows with it. All you need for making a pillow is just crocheting more rows, and in the back side of the pillow you must sewing the buttons in here. and then you have a beautiful pillow. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you like it, please let me in comment below, and please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Love you all. Happy crocheting. Goodbye.